Good morning, Shihna and Asra. Good morning. What's up today? Asra is sleepy, right, Asra? You're not well? What happened? You're having throat pain. Okay. What about Shihna? You all good? Okay. Okay. This is the first period today. English. Okay. So did you confirm the portions with teachers for exam? With every subject teacher you have confirmed, right? And ask them also which portion you should stress to learn, okay? Is revision classes going on now or regular classes? Every subject. What about maths and science? Okay, so the portions are almost over, right? Okay, then what are your plans for next year? You'll be in the next grade from April, right? I think the classes will start on April. Sorry, not April, May. I think so. Yeah, this is April. I'm still in March. I haven't reached April yet. Maybe that's why. Yeah, we were also very busy with the question papers, timetable setting and all. But now everything is fine. Every question papers are ready. So the only thing is that we have to give it to you people and you have to write. Be ready with the papers, okay? Buy papers like white sheet papers so that you can write the descriptive ones there. Okay? Okay. Then what else? There is no much vacation, right? You people are not... there is no much vacation in between, I guess. Your vacations are... When are the UAE vacations? In UAE? July, August, okay. Yeah. So we won't be giving all the vacations, but I hope you people will get that July, August vacation. I'm not very sure, but I think so. And yeah, that's it. It will be too hot there, right, at that time. Yeah, ma'am. Okay, but anyway, at least you'll be getting 1 week gap, I guess, after the vacation, so you can prepare for the next year. Like you can buy new books. No, bags are not required, right? You can buy new books. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but now you know, after the COVID and all, nobody is that much. Everything was at home, right? So everybody, they are used to it now. So even the kids, I don't think KG and all, when they started with the COVID, at that time the students were like, yeah, this is better. Sitting at home, can have snacks in between, no teachers to scold. If you got a free period, you can sleep at home. So everything is very convenient, right? So students, yeah, some of the students, okay, some still are interested in going to regular schools. Yeah, having friends. And you people cannot say that. You people are always together, right? Yeah, and in other classes also I am seeing this, like, in G4 and all, that students are, they are playing in between intervals, because there are like 6 students there. So it's there, they have got a team to play something, to do something and all. But here there are just 2, right? Hopefully next year some more students will be joining in your class. I hope so. Okay. And yeah, there is just 2 more assemblies. What you people are going to do? You people should not miss that. Just 2 more days. You Shikhna is getting extra task every time. Okay, Asra, what will you do, Asra? That you're thinking? Yeah. Shikhna, yeah, tell me. You'll make a craft. Yeah, don't spend a lot of time in that, okay? Why? Because it's exam time, so you people need to study. And Shikhna, you sing a song, okay? Yeah, we miss your song. You sang long back, I guess. Okay. Yeah, any Hindi song. You sing Hindi, right? Huh. Tomorrow Asra and day after tomorrow Shikhna. Yesterday also Shikhna was doing. Right? Taking advantage of Shikhna. That's okay. And what else? You wanna share something? Any problems, any difficulties in school or anything? Yeah, did you message admin? I sent you the contact, right? Message her in WhatsApp. Yeah, about the book and its amount and all. She could give you a clear picture on that. Okay. And that's it, children. Nothing else, I guess. Did I miss something, or are we clear about everything? What? Yeah, after that exams, right? I'm worried about you people. You people are going to get tensed and ruin everything. I don't think that you won't study. I know that you people will study, but I'm confused whether you will write that. So this time you people have to be more confident and need not worry about the exam. After all, it's just an exam. But have to learn well. Even after learning, if you are not able to score well, that's okay. But without learning, if you are not even learning and not even writing, that's not fair. Okay. Revise multiple times. I think I have given the important questions already, the important parts and all. You can ask other teachers also the portions to be stressed. But as the ma'am told, reading text is very important. That's why we put a gap in between every exam. See, you have got 1 day off in between every exam. So you cannot tell that there is no time to learn. And at that time there won't be regular classes. So you get enough time to learn. Exam is just 1 hour. Whole other time you are getting to learn. Right? Okay, do that for this exam. Oh God. Okay. And that you told me we did it early, right? Okay, no worries. Oh, it's already time, right? So yeah, Kirtana ma'am will be joining now. So that's all, children. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.